Okay, she's taking a picture. How did you do that?
Do the little one now.
Oh, because I'm on camera.
I have not.
Yeah, you have to say it though. Yeah, you have to say it.
Go do it. I have nice.
Alright, I have nice legs. Can't hear you.
I don't want to talk in the Rub it.
Rub it.
You still recording?
Take 3.
Alright. No, I'm really looking gay.
Just do it. Who cares? Your name's Amanda anyways.
Right. You live up to my name. Have nice legs. Hey, you guys happy? Huh?
No.
What you want? This is what you want.
Yeah, that's what you want.